Hey guys, Jason from Tech AU. A couple of years ago I reviewed this hoverboard from a company called HoverX, and now we're moving on from that to the brand new model. So let's open it up and take a look. There it is. Spin around. There we go. So this one is basically, it's upgraded and larger wheels, built for off-road as well. So much more capable than the last one. Last one was great, but as with many products, they take it and improve on it. And show you guys. There we go. Away. Alright. So straight away, one of the biggest differences, this center section is very different than the previous model, and a big addition is a handle for carrying. So if you're going to carry it while you're moving around, that makes it a bit easier than sort of just tucking it under the arm or this style. So the wheels, definitely big and chunky, keen to try them out. Platforms are sort of rubberized to make sure you don't slip. Some nice lighting there, and on the back as well. So in the box, we've also got the charging adapter, some instructions, but after having learned last time, pretty comfortable with riding a hoverboard. So I'm going to charge it up and then watch out for a full review coming soon.